This is seagull fishing.
I've had one bite already.
Get the window up, Thomas.
Don't want no poo in here, do we? There we go.
Here's one. Oh, he hasn't gone for it. Bottled it at the last minute.
That was a clever one, he knew what was going on. Should I just let loads of line out and just let it take it? And then just fucking yank it back?
Oh, mate. As if missed the first bite. Do you reckon I've sussed it?
Be quiet.
What the fuck? Oh, that was nearly a bite.
It's like normal fishing, isn't it? You've got to wait for the right fish to come along.
It's a relaxing game, fishing, isn't it? It's relaxing.
It is, it's very relaxing.
At least you can see when they're here.
Have you seen how many's fucking flying about?
We've got their eye on that piece of chicken.
The bait is out.
Don't want the piece of chicken, do they?
I don't think they do, no. I'm wondering if they know what's going on.
As if I missed the first bite. I think they know. Come on, you little bastards.
Come on, we've got some fucking chicken for you here, lads. Come on. There'll be a distraction technique. They'll fucking fly down and have that in a minute.
Oh, we got a bite! Get the chicken back up, it's there.
I can't, it's
We
stuck.
saved
It's
it.
stuck!
We saved it. Oh no. Ah!
It's stuck! Quick, you're gonna have to get it.
Oh, I can't! I can't! They're all trying to get it. Quick, save the chicken.
It's stuck. Stick your hand out the window, you fucking idiot.
Yeah, hold that. It's wrapped around something.
Is it the indicator?
I have to get out and fix it. Oh no!
Wait, you put it back on the windscreen, I didn't put it on there, you div.
Oh, I got a bite! It's got it! Oh mate, did you record that? Didn't you get that?
I don't think so, no.
Got a bite. Flew off into the sky with it, and you pulled me back. Oh, we got another one. It wants a chicken.
Do another video.
Yeah, how do you stop it?